YouTubers, and welcome again to Silly Sid 123. Now, before we start this video, I just hope that all my friends and all my YouTubers are all okay through this coronavirus lockdown. It's no fun staying in the home, I know that for sure, only going out to get your shopping, and for me, my gas and electric. But I hope we're all having fun indoors. Hope we found some sort of hobbies that we like. I found mine. But to my vacuum fans, just enjoy your vacuums, and perhaps through the time go through your collection, see what needs repairing, see what needs a good clean, and that keep the time, you know. It'll be, before we know it, it'll be all over, and we can go back to doing what we want again. So let's get back on with it. So this is my 1993 Hoover turbopower 1 U2798. Now with this quite poorly girl, we're going to do a full flat demo. Fingers crossed nothing happens. So yeah, this is the one, there's a video on my channel of this one. As you know, it's got pretty much new parts on it after it came smashed in the post, and it still sounds rough, as you'll judge through the video, but maybe the longer I have it on, it might sort itself out, or it might just stop working and overheat, but we'll see. So here we go. Okay, here we go. YouTubers, thanks for watching. I thought she did extremely well. She's warm. She's not hot. She's just warm. And to be fair, yeah, she did well on the carpet. It's nice and clean. Yeah, quite surprising really. Yeah, as I say, it sounds very, very, very worn out. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with her really. It's done a good job. So, hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope it's one of these videos is included in your watch for while this coronavirus lockdown is going on. Hopefully this is of interest to turbopower fans. So, like, subscribe and enjoy my videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.